Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Goddan School of Mathematics. I have these questions that says number 1, simplify, open bracket, 81 over 36 raised to power minus 1 over 2, and then number 2, the square root of 216 raised to power minus 2 over 3. All right, so first, solution. Number 1, we have 81 over 36 raised to power minus 1 over 2. Already, according to negative index law, the negative becomes the reciprocal 1 over, right? 81 over 36, now raised to power positive 1 over 2. Now, that means, now, according to fractional index law, would have 1 over the brackets. According to fractional index law, the denominator becomes the root. So we have the square root of 81 over 36. Now, raised to power 1 remains the same. So the answer is equal 1 over the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of 36 is 6. So that our final answer, the reciprocal, will be 6 over 9. Now, question 2, we have the square root of 216 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Now, this is the same thing as the square root of, right? According to negative index law of indices, negative becomes the reciprocal of 216, right? Now, and according to fractional index, okay, so we have 216 raised to power 2 over 3 first. Now, according to fractional index law, we have, this is 1 over, the denominator becomes the root, so we have cube root of 216, and then the numerator becomes its index. And this will give us the square root of 1 over the cube root of 216 is 6. That's because 6 is that number that will multiply itself 3 times to get 216. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 is 216. And then we have it raised to power 2. So that this will equal the square root of 1 over 36. Now, we can now find square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 36 is 6. And then our result is 1 over 6. Thank you for joining the class. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can also follow us across all social media pages at Goddan School of Mathematics. Till I come your way again, bye for now.